For more information and current price, I included this product link in the description. 1byone Easy Chime Wireless Doorbell. You need to keep contact with your senior or physically challenged relative when you're not around, and 1byone is the best wireless door chime to do that. 1byone returns with another wireless doorbell chime capable of being heard 150 meters away. This one comes with 36 selectable tunes options for the user. The device also has an adjustable ringing volume with 3 levels to match, namely, low, medium and high. Pressing the sound and flash button allows you to choose your favorite notification option. The plug-in receiver that comes with this model doesn't require the use of a battery. Most of the tunes on this wireless doorbell kit are Christmas carols. The doorbell is exceptionally affordable, and the design is sturdy. I have included this product link in the description. You can check out that link for more details and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share this video and don't forget to hit the like button.